Yeah, 4.5 in a straight line.
Oh yeah, yeah. I was just looking on the map, on the
Yeah.
tourist map. It's
Yeah.
4.5.
I was looking at your shoes, I was like, oh. Does that mean the tap water will be drinkable?
Yeah, at the end of the project.
When is the project to end?
December.
Oh, cool.
It's been going for around 3 years. As you come through, you're going to notice there's a rock here honoring Pa. Now Pa has done the walk for over 30 years. Hey.
Yeah, I'm not very in a rush.
We are climbing is Rua Manga, and Rua Manga translates to the second peak. It is the location to one of our volcanic craters, and Rarotonga is an ancient volcanic mountain, no longer active. It last blew its top 2 million years ago. It's the youngest island in the whole group at around 3.5 million years old. We are going to climb all the way to the base, not to the top. To get to the top is a freehand rock climb. We'll leave that for another day. But those of you that want to climb the rock, we can do so. There are some fixed chains and
How you doing, Del?
I always just manage to find this slippery spot.
Put on, check the bag, and put passengers.
That's rock.
It's a nice rock.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Right around it doesn't quite go around the face. The first part of the chain is the hardest part.
Same schedule.
Well, I think you guys are on my capacity for a while.
Well, that flight is a bit more regular than the one to LA.
Yeah, they said it's only like an hour and a half.
Yeah, I think it's only 50 minutes.
Really?
Yeah, maybe I read that somewhere.
Okay.
I hope you're right and we're wrong.
Yeah, we're the lady, we sat next to the lady on the way here and she's from here and she said that flight's like an hour and 30, hour and 45.
Yeah.
Maybe take off, landing, everything together.
Well, it's not that long.
That's, no, compared to 9.
Well, we have another one of that coming up after a